have my cup of chrysanthemum tea, and I'm ready to open my mail. What's in the package? Guys, welcome to this Mailbox Minute. I got my apple cider today. It's awesome. Caramel apple cider to be precise. Anyway, this is my haul from the bulk. From the Dollarama. Is that what it's called? Dollarama. Yeah, so it's our dollar store. And they have them in the States as well as in Canada. And guess what I'm going to be making this week? We're going to be making gumdrop molds. And they're going to be super easy to pack in and super easy to pop out. You could even make soap with these. These are the most awesome molds ever. And since I have a million of them to do, it's going to go so fast. I am so stoked. We're going to do a different color for each tray. And we're going to be done in no time. And it's going to be awesome. So please come back this weekend and watch me craft with my soap supplies from the dollar store that I got on this Monday. Okay, guys, please click like and subscribe and come back to my soapy kitchen anytime. Bye for now.